How to use ChatGPT properly, part 3. In the last videos, I introduced the RISEN framework. That's role, instructions, steps, end goal, narrowing. Now we're talking about instructions. The main advice when giving instructions to ChatGPT or any AI is to be clear. Clarity of your communication is the most important part here. This means avoiding conditionals like could you, would you, and not being overly polite. Leave out the pleases and thank yous because it just adds extra context to ChatGPT that isn't really needed. It's been shown that being overly polite and deferential to ChatGPT actually decreases the quality of the results. That's because you're not being direct when you add in additional language in order to be polite. When giving instructions to ChatGPT, focus on clarity above all. Feel free to bullet point your instructions to ChatGPT because that allows you to get the content overall without having to worry about the style. One final tip here is you can actually ask ChatGPT to ask clarifying questions. In part 4, we're going to be looking at adding steps to the instructions, and all of this is available as a downloadable guide. Just check the comments for the link.